Hello, I'm Dr. Jill. Welcome to Let's Learn English with Anna. It is fun to visit friends. Today, Anna plans to visit a friend. But where does her friend live? I will give you a clue. It is by the sea. A clue is information. Clues help you answer a question. So, where is Anna going? Let's visit her treehouse. She gives us more clues.
Welcome! I am Anna, and I am so happy. My friend wants me to visit. Max, guess where she lives?
Spain, Seoul, Sweden.
Wait, Max, I will give you 2 clues.
Okay, clues help us find answers. I like answers.
I know you do, Max. Here is clue number 1. Sun.
Sun. You are going someplace sunny.
Yes, here is clue number 2. And.
Sand. You are going someplace sunny and sandy. I know. You are going to the
beach.
Where is Anna going? Let's hear the clues again. Sea, sun, sand. The beach. Today we talk about the beach. But that is not all. We also learn about S words in the words in and on. You can do many fun things at the beach. That is our question for today. What do you do at the beach? Let's hear from some friends. They talk about things to do at the beach.
I love to swim in the sea. At the beach, I like to dig in the sand.
At the beach, I like to throw frisbee. This is a frisbee.
Thanks, friends. Now, listen to these words. Sun, sand, sea. How are they the same? They all begin with the same letter. Let's go back to Anna. She helps us say S words.
Okay, at the beginning of S words, do not say S. Say S, like a snake. Say it with me. Snake. Good. The beach is sunny, so I need sunglasses, sunscreen, and a sun hat. They are on the table. I put them in my bag.
Now it is time to go to the beach. Max is not going. Sand and sea are not good for a computer. Words like on and in tell where things are or where things happen. Listen for the words in and on.
I am at the beach. At the beach, I see sun, sand, and sea. At the beach, people ride bikes on the sand. At the beach, kids dig in the sand. At the beach, people swim in the sea. At the beach, people swim in the ocean, they play on the sand, they ride bikes on the beach. There is a lot to do and see at the beach.
Thanks for showing us the beach, Anna. Now you can talk to people about the beach. Use S words. And come see us again on Let's Learn English with Anna.